Once upon a time, there was a beautiful and dense forest. Many kinds of animals lived there: rabbits, deer, elephants, and birds. Among them, the wisest was a rabbit named Chamak, which means shine. Chamak was always ready to help others, and all the animals were his friends. One day, a dangerous lion entered the forest. His name was Shere Khan, and he was very powerful. He started scaring the animals and said, "This forest is mine now. Anyone who wants to live here must obey my rules." All the animals were terrified and didn't know what to do. But Shamak didn't lose courage. He gathered his friends and said, "If we all work together, we can defeat Shere Khan." All the animals agreed to Chamak's plan and came together. Chamak said, "We don't need to scare Shere Khan. Instead, we'll trick him and make him leave the forest." With the help of the elephant, deer, and birds, Chamak made a trap. The birds flew high into the sky and started annoying Shere Khan, leading him right into the trap. Caught in the trap, Shere Khan said, "Let me go, and I promise I'll never trouble you again." Chamak and his friends made Shere Khan promise to leave the forest and never return. The animals were overjoyed and peace returned to the forest. From that day on, all the animals lived together happily, and they saw Chamak as their hero. Moral: there is strength in unity. When everyone works together, they can overcome even the biggest challenges.